Welcome to our video on trading for multiple prop firms. Prop trading has become an increasingly popular way for traders to gain exposure to the financial markets and earn a living. However, some traders may be wondering whether it's possible to trade for multiple prop firms and what the benefits and drawbacks of doing so might be. In this video, we'll take a closer look at this topic and provide you with all the information you need to make an informed decision. Prop trading is a type of trading in which a firm provides traders with capital to trade with, in exchange for a share of the profits. The idea is that the firm provides the trader with the resources they need to be successful, while the trader brings their skills and expertise to the table. One of the questions that many traders ask is whether or not it's possible to trade for multiple prop firms. The answer is yes, it is possible. However, there are some important things to consider before you decide to do so. Let's start by looking at the advantages of trading for multiple prop firms. One of the main benefits is that you'll have access to a larger pool of capital. This means that you'll be able to take larger positions and potentially earn more money. Additionally, by working with multiple firms, you'll have the opportunity to diversify your trading strategies and learn from different approaches. However, there are also some significant drawbacks to trading for multiple firms. One of the biggest challenges is managing your time effectively. Each firm may have different requirements, and you'll need to balance your time and attention to ensure that you're meeting all of their expectations. Additionally, you may need to adhere to different trading rules or risk management policies, which can be confusing and challenging to navigate. Another challenge of trading for multiple prop firms is that it can be difficult to build relationships with each firm. When you're working with multiple partners, it's important to maintain clear communication and ensure that you're meeting everyone's expectations. This can be challenging, especially if you're working with firms in different time zones or with different cultures. So, what should you consider before deciding to trade for multiple prop firms? First, it's important to evaluate your trading skills and experience. Trading for multiple firms requires a high level of expertise and discipline, as well as the ability to manage your time effectively. Additionally, you'll need to be prepared to adapt to different trading styles and strategies, as each firm may have its own approach. It's also important to research and evaluate the prop firms that you're considering working with. Look for firms that have a strong reputation in the industry, as well as a track record of success. You should also evaluate their trading requirements and risk management policies to ensure that they align with your own goals and values. In conclusion, trading for multiple prop firms is possible, but it comes with its own set of challenges and drawbacks. By evaluating your own skills and experience, researching the firms you're considering working with, and managing your time effectively, you can increase your chances of success. Good luck, and happy trading. Thank you for watching.